If Dreamlight Valley keeps crashing on Nintendo Switch, you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Switch. To restart your Nintendo Switch, press and hold the power button on the top of the console for a few seconds until a menu pops up on the screen. Select Power Options and then choose Restart. Wait for the console to restart. If the power menu doesn't appear, press and hold the power button for at least 10 to 12 seconds to force the console to shut down. Then, press the power button again to turn it back on. Now relaunch the game and check. Method 2. Check for updates. Ensure your game is updated to the latest version available. To do this, from your home screen, select Dreamlight Valley. Press the Add button of your controller and then click on the Software Update option. Go to the right panel and click on Via the Internet option. Wait for the process to be completed. Afterwards, check if you are getting the Nintendo error again. Method 3. Check for corrupt data. The next thing you can do is check for corrupt data. In System Settings, navigate to Data Management. Then select Manage Software. Choose the problematic software and select Check for corrupt data. Wait for the process to complete. Click on Done when finished and then see if this could fix the issue. Method 4. Save the game frequently. To avoid losing progress in case of a crash, manually save your game every 3 to 5 minutes. This is especially important when entering areas that require loading screens or when the game becomes laggy. Method 5. Future updates. Gameloft is working on future updates to optimize the game and prevent crashes. So, you should keep an eye out for these updates on their newsroom to ensure you have the latest version. Method 6. Clear system cache. The accumulated cache on your Nintendo Switch can be corrupted, and due to this, the game may be crashing on Nintendo Switch. So, clear the cache and check if this can fix the error. Open System Settings and click on the System tab. Select Formatting options as shown below. Next, select Reset Cache to clear all cache and cookies. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 7. Re-download the game. If the previous methods didn't work, delete the game and re-download it from the Nintendo eShop. To uninstall a game, from the home menu, select System Settings. Scroll down and select Data Management. On the right-hand side, select Software. Choose Dreamlight Valley. Select Delete Software. Confirm by selecting Delete when prompted. Now reinstall the game. Open the Nintendo eShop from the home menu. Select the account you want to use. Click on your profile in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to re-download. Find the game and select the download button next to it. Deleting a game will not delete your saved data, which is tied to your Nintendo account. You can re-download the game anytime and resume from where you left off. Once you reinstall the game, launch it and see if this could fix the issue. Method 8. Try a different account. If you are experiencing crashing issues with your Nintendo Switch, then try to access the game using a different account. You might need to download the game onto the new account before you can start playing. This method can sometimes bypass the problem and allow you to enjoy your game without crashes. Method 9. Reinsert the microSD card. Power off the console. Hold down the power button for at least 3 seconds. Then select Power Options. Then select Turn Off to ensure the console is powered off before inserting the microSD card. Next, open the kickstand on the back of the Nintendo Switch to reveal the microSD card slot. Take out the card carefully. Wait for some time. With the microSD card's contacts facing down and the label side facing away from the console, gently insert the card into the slot. Push it in until you feel it click into place. Once the microSD card is securely inserted, power on your Nintendo Switch by pressing the power button. If prompted, you may need to format the microSD card. It's important to power off your Nintendo Switch before inserting or removing the microSD card to avoid data loss or damage to the card. And there you have it, the methods to fix issue when Dreamlight Valley keeps crashing on Nintendo Switch. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.